devoted Tesla aficionado has shared an idea render of the companyâ TMS up-and-coming hybrid SUV the Model Y in light of the ongoing mystery picture given by Elon Musk amid the 2018 Annual Shareholder Meeting. The idea renders were shared and transferred by Tesla fan and visual craftsman Miguel Massã copyright. His idea for the Model Y demonstrates a hybrid SUV with an outline and front sash thatâ TMS fundamentally the same as the Model 3. From the back, the vehicleâ TMS idea highlights likenesses with its minimized electric car kin also, however it has liberal ground leeway and a forceful position. Aside from his renders of the Model Y, Massã copyright additionally selected to try Teslaâ TMS up-and-coming subcompact vehicle. The vehicle was specified amid the as-of-late held 2018 Annual Shareholder Meeting, when an individual from the gathering of people inquired as to whether Tesla is anticipating breaking the exceedingly lucrative subcompact car showcase. Musk relevantly reacted to the request, expressing that he supposes Tesla will a subcompact auto in under 5 years. As could be seen in Massã copyright TMS render, he picked to utilize the Model 3 as his essential reason for the subcompact sedan TMS idea, and afterward received components of a 2008 Honda Civic and a new Roadster. The outcome is a vehicle that, while far littler than the Model S, Model X, and Model 3, is still conspicuously a Tesla, with its glass rooftop and flush entryway handles. While Teslaâ TMS subcompact car is still about 5 years away, the Model Y is shutting on its exceedingly foreseen discharge date. In an ongoing refresh on Twitter, Elon Musk kidded that the all-electric hybrid SUV would be revealed on March 15, 2019. While Musk expressed that the date was initially intended to be a joke, he noticed that it falls in Teslaâ TMS expected course of events for the Model Y TMS discharge.